This video is brought to you by King of Caps. If you're looking to stand out, be different, and defy the odds, I want you to go by this website and check them out. kingofcaps.com. I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you can go and pick up your apparel. Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I'm back with another review. This is the Poetic SlimFolio for the all-new iPad Pro 11-inch. Let's get it open, get it on, and check it out. First things first, let's get this case unwrapped and get it on this new iPad. Okay, so here we have it. This is the all-new SlimFolio by Poetic. This is them, Poetic. This is for the brand new iPad 11-inch. First thing we're recognizing is it has a nice microfiber lining on the inside. You're going to be able to slide your iPad in just like that and then lock it back in place. Let's just try all of this first. Noticing we got a clip around here, and we also have a holder for our Apple Pencil. So let's get this case on, let's try it out and see how it's going to fit this iPad. All right, guys, so this is the actual case itself. We are going to test it out. I'm going to put the iPad in here first. So this is how it's going to come, just like that. You're going to open this up. You're going to take your iPad and you're going to slide it in just like so. All right, all the way over. Then you're going to take this flap. It has a piece of Velcro on it. You're going to put it right down in here and secure your tablet in place. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install this case. It folds over just like that. It does auto sleep and wake. We can notice. I do have the actual tablet on silent, but let's, just so we can hear it, I'm going to take it off silent. I'm going to open it up, make sure my volume is all the way up, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to wake it up. I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to close it again. Just like that. So we do have auto sleep wake. That is a go. That is a check. On the back we have this rubber band. This is going to fold over the front and it's going to keep your front secure. There is no magnetic front on this, but it's going to keep your front secure. You also have a holder for your Apple Pencil, but I would prefer, since this side is already open, we're going to clip our pencil right there, and let's make sure that it's charging and syncing. Open it up, Apple Pencil, charge and sync. Perfect. So this tablet supports Apple Pencil, charge and sync, or this tablet cover supports Apple Pencil, charge and sync. Up top we have speaker grills and mics wide open. Down bottom, same thing, speakers, charging port wide open. We have a holder on the back, so if you want to stand this up in a different orientation, you're going to flip that down, you're going to put that in there, and voila, you get a tablet standing, or you get a tablet for typing mode. So different viewing angles that we have are available. Auto sleep wake is a go. Front is not magnetically charged, but boom, right there, we're holding it steady, and we actually have space for our pencil. One thing that I did not do is my normal wiggle and our drop test. So just like that, wiggle, drop, no. This thing is secure, it is safe, it is by Poetic. So I'm going to leave a link below so you can go and pick you up one of these. Remember, this is the Poetic SlimFolio. The only one I think they have on their store right now is the one in black. but I'm sure they'll be coming out with different colors pretty soon. So hope this is able to help someone make up their mind. Until next time, this is the Average Tech Guy. Please be sure and give it that thumbs up. Please be sure and subscribe. If you get a chance, go by and check out the website King of Caps. You can pick up some nice headwear, some t-shirts, all types of things. So be sure and check those out. I'll make sure I leave a link below in the description so you can go by there. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.